Good, Chad. Was good. Everything straight. Yep. Now we got 3 minutes into the opening bell. Let's see. Let's see. Still inside that daily bullish trade value gap. We trading outside of it. Tap back into that rejection block here. We couldn't get above the rejection block. There. The 1 hour. What do we have here? We came in. We stayed in the. Let me see. We're respecting the middle line. The consequent encroachment of this bearish value gap from the 4 hour. We close outside of the gap here. Forex Factory. There's news at 8:45 and 9 a.m. So we got news in about 17 minutes. Okay. We got the consolidation here. We got this change in the state of delivery here. Do we take out any? Look on ES real quick. On ES, we got the change in the state of delivery here, but we really didn't take out. Okay, yeah, we took out some highs here. What about on NQ? Do we take out? Okay. So we got the change in the state of delivery here. We got that change in the state. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. We got, let me see something. 8:30 open at 427 flat. Got the midnight open at 25.3750. Okay. What's good, man here, bro? What's good with y'all? We also got the immediate rebalance here on the 1 hour immediate rebalance. So I'll just do it. Any trades taken yet? How are you? I'm doing good, bro. How you doing? Any trades taken yet? Anybody in the chat took any trades yet? We got PM touching low right here. Nigga come in the crib screaming like what? It's 8:30 in the morning, bro. Alright, 3:45 PM, 1 PM low there. So we got these lows here. Those lows look kinda smooth. Kinda equal. What's good, chat? Any trades taken yet today, chat? What y'all thinking? We also got a new day opening gap acting as resistance. Okay. So we gotta see, they may wanna, since we already had tapped into, we took out the sell side from here on the daily. On ES, we took out those equal lows on ES as well. As you can see right here, took out these lows. Took out those lows there. Once that happened, and we closed outside of this gap, I did have a bullish bias. I did think that it was time for us to trade higher, but as you can see, we're respecting this bearish fair value gap right here. We can't even close inside of it. We did once. We did once. That's about it. But we got this gap here and these gaps here that price may want to continue to trade to the downside. We got this here acting as an inversion. I mean, no, not inversion. Kind of like a reclaimed bearish fair value gap. We tap it right there with that candle. We did that yesterday. So we probably just head for the new low of day. Or no, not new low of day. Yesterday's previous day low. And maybe this low here, and these gaps here on the daily, and then we can start. Maybe we can start pushing to the upside, but price most likely wants to get to one of these areas if we couldn't trade back above just yet. So we'll have to wait and see. We'll have to definitely wait and see. But that the 9:30 opening bell just happened, so we'll see what the opening range looked like. Why is he doing that? Opening range gap is there. Let me just see if this lines up correctly. Yeah, okay. That lines up. Opening range gap. Consequent encroachment of that is here, so at 451.25. Actually, let me do this. This is the only indicator I use. I don't use any other indicator than this right here, and I just got put onto this consequent encroachment, the range gap. Clear that off. All right. So 9:30 opening. All right. Let me just do this just to there. 9:30 opening. We got sell side there, and we have, looking at this, at 9:15 we swept that high. I wondered, did we sweep that high on ES? We definitely did on ES as well. Okay. See what I want to do with this during the opening range and with news. But we got the intermediate rebalance here, like I said, on the 1 hour. So I'll delineate that real quick. 60-minute. We got this rejection block here. It's the high, so the open and the close and the open of this, that's the rejection block. We trade above that here. We got this gap here on the 5-minute. That's looking like it wants to be used as an inversion, so we'll have to wait and see if that's really true. If we close below this while sweeping this minor high here, this high there, that candle wick, 8:45 a.m.'s candle wick, that's, let me see what that, 8:45, 8:50. But this wick, yeah, that's still technically buy side. Not technically, it is. So that low on NQ with ES is through that 3 p.m. low. We have this low here. Like I said, this right here is the really, I believe this is the real drawn liquidity. there, and then we can get here. If we get there, then we get there. But let me just make this into a, I'll make this gray. Make these two areas gray. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. These look kind of different to me. Oh, that's why. Okay. We'll see, chat. Or if we just respect the consequent encroachment of this wick and we trade higher, it's a lot of shit that can happen today. It is NFP, so NFP week, so we got to be careful. So we'll wait to the news. So far this looks like consolidation. I don't want to say this is just a manipulation just yet, but we got consolidation so far. Got the sell side there from yesterday. So I'll put PM session low. So we know what was being taken and why it's being taken. Okay. Changing the stay of delivery right here on the 5-minute. Took out this high here. Even though this wick is still higher than this, I would still consider this like maybe like a swing high. I still would. So we'll see. 930, no fair value gap just yet. 930, 31, 32, 30. 936, we got the first presentation fair value gap. I'll make this like a light purple or something. And let me actually first fair value. Wait. Light purple. See what they want to do here with this. We did have to change in the step delivery here on the 1-minute. There. So look at NQ one more time. Whoa. So we got an S and T at the highs. Kinda. I mean, those are relatively equal. Yeah, S&T at the highs. NQ just a little slow on the day. I would say, we will see, chat. We will see what's likely to happen. Changing the state there. So let's see if this order block holds. We also got one. Well, not yet. You tap back into that inversion for value you got. So hopefully we'll see what they want to do with. They want to claim it as bullish or bears, but these, okay, we took out those low, but we left those intact. So eight 15. We left these intact right here, but we took out this low here from 3 p.m. but we didn't take out the 1 p.m. low. We made it super smooth, relatively equal lows, super smooth. Those are really smooth in my opinion. The low of it is at 312 flat. I'll be round the dot with it, just like that. And this one is at 313 flat. So we'll see what they want to do with it. We came back to the opening range gap, so we cleared that. We have the buy side here. Changing the state of delivery here. I think that's that what? Yeah, let me delete that, but remember that chat, you got that intermediate rebalance on the 60 minutes, so remember that. That low candle is at 460.25. I really don't want this on my chart, but gotta have it on. Just like that. Keep cleaning it up. So this is the intermediate rebalance from the 1 hour here at 9:15. Minute. You also got this here as well. Price could trade back into. That could be a target if price wanted to trade lower. Wait for news. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm waiting for this news at 2 minutes, then this news at 9. So we'll see what they give us after news. Really want to try to find something doing the macro. That'd be nice. What's that up there? What is that up there? I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that there. Get rid of that there. Try to keep this as clean as possible. There. What is that? Oh, that's that changing the state of delivery. Okay. Okay, that's that rejection block. Rejection block here still holding up as well. I'm wondering ES, do we take out those highs? On ES, why does it keep zooming in like that? That's so lame. The high from 9:15 a.m. Wait. 9:15 a.m. This looks weird. This looks very weird. So across all pairs, prices kind of like decoupling, I would say. They look a little different. I'll get rid of that. Don't want to confuse nobody. Confuse myself. So we closed back. We didn't close below that. These consecutive down close candles, we didn't close below those. This wick is crazy. That's a crazy wick right there. Let's see what news does. Watch it from the 5 minute. Watch it from the 5 minute chat. See what's to it. During the PM session yesterday, I took a trade. I went long yesterday during the PM session. I came to the charts late, but this was the trade right here, my exact model, changing the state of delivery. retest back into the order block. Fair value gap. First presentation fair value gap is somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here on the 1 minute. Price uses it as support. You take it higher and target the buy side here. When I went long, I was trying to go long up here and it was already too late. I ended up losing like $39. Ended up losing, yeah, about $39 on the day. Wasn't too bad. As you can see, it was at 1200. Ended up losing 39. Then I just walked away. I said, nah, I feel like I was chasing price. So, okay. Use the opening range gap as resistance, as you can see here. 451. Wait, 451 flat. There we go. We use it as resistance and travel back lower there. So let's see what they do with this gap here. I'm leaning more towards on the bear side, but we'll see. We'll see what they want to do with it. Took out that low there. But here we didn't take out the low. So we kind of got like an S&T on the daily time frame. Higher time frame S&T. But all the news and shit going on, I'm not convinced just yet. Not convinced just yet, so 30-minute. And if we close and put in these highs here, that will give me a strong bias that we do want to come lower, but if they get taken before 10, then we'll have to wait and see what else there is. Got this whole entire order block. So in order for this trade to be invalidated, if it doesn't want to trade higher, we have to get below this because we closed above these consecutive down closed candles, and this is one order block right here. One order block. So close below this, that'd be nice. And if we close outside of this gap here, that'd be nice. This would be, I would look at this as being treated as resistance, so price shouldn't come back above this green candle. Shouldn't, if we want to take price lower. We shouldn't like come back above the high of it. At least we can trade into it. Intermediate rebalance right there on the 5 minutes. If you can see, I'll get rid of that. Intermediate rebalance. See what they want to do with it. 30-second. Okay, we got that there. We got this here. This was a good move right here. Pre-New York, sweep, changing the state of delivery. Here you see it here. You can take a short there, and below the midnight opening price, ride it all the way down to the Asia session low, PM session low. And yeah, let's see. 15-minute rejection block there. Sell side there. Y'all think, chat? Y'all think we go long from this fair value gap, first fair value gap, or we continue short? What y'all think? You are trading back up above, so. Let me dress ES up because this low key is not it right now. Damn, we respect that to the T. That's nice. It's nice how we did that. This is that weekly, right? Is this on the weekly? Oh yeah, this is the weekly bearish fair value gap. Okay, I'm like, what is that? Some lipstick on right there. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. That as well. I like to see the PM session low ticket, then see if a buy model forms. I don't know. We look kind of heavy today. Well, I ain't gonna say we look heavy, but like, I don't. If the model appears, then you take it. It's Wednesday before NFP, so not expecting efficient price action. Facts. But I don't know if we create a buy model just yet. We got this daily bullish fair value gap we traded below. We couldn't come back above this here. So to me, yeah, kinda. And this one candle price is heavy. So I wouldn't really want to be buying, if that makes sense. As you can see, we did not close. Look at the immediate rebalance there. So inside that macro news at 10. Let me see how this here is treated, that order block there. Let's see how we treat this right here. The lower parameter of this first fair value gap is at 3625, right? Yeah, 365, 365, 25. Yeah, 36525. So we don't tap into it. We don't get to it, but we'll see. Tap into this order block, so. Got this wick here. Price doesn't even get to the consequent encroachment of it, which kind of aligns with the consequent encroachment of the first fair value gap. So we don't get there just yet. This is on the 5. This is from the 5 minute. Okay, bam. We shit it lower. Next target would be the rejection block. Our target would be the rejection block here on the 15 minute. So I want to see if we can get a price run lower. So we got an SMT at the highs there. Changing the state of, let me see. Yeah, here. So we will see. We will see what they want to do with it. News at 10. News in 2 minutes. So hopefully it just doesn't trade lower. Hopefully we get some type of manipulation for the news to take this maybe a little higher, or not even too crazy, maybe back into the gap. So we will see what they want to do with it. If we close below this, that'd be nice too. We're at the previous day low. We already took that. Yeah, we took that a long time ago. Oh no, it's here. Previous day low is here. I'm tripping. We're gonna see, chat, because we are below the midnight open and 8:30 opening. So we'll see. Yesterday the daily, this candle right here, it was up here. It was looking like it wanted to create a swing high. So that was pretty nice. The consequent encroachment of this daily wick is here. We just tapped into it. So as you can see right there, we lined up with it kind of perfect. What's good, RJ, bro? How you doing? Retest that order block one more time. Let's see if we can get the manipulation we want. What's good, fam? Any trades taken yet? Sheesh. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Took the buy side there. Retest of that intermediate rebalance once more here. And the still, okay, let's see. Took a short on gold for the London session. Hit a 1.3.5, so that's me done for the day now, just waiting for NFP. You hit a 1.3.5, what is that? Look at that. So news. Do we come back up and test that daily? Do we test it? We tapped into that daily bullish fair value gap once more there. On the 15-minute, that rejection block here, that green candle, you zoom in. That green candle and this down close candle here of this high, price still hasn't closed above it there. 5 minutes still kind of being used right there. We will see, chat. We will see. got the high on EX as well there. I do see this here. Hasn't hit a 1.31, 3.5 RR. That's nice. So you basically hit like a 1 to 3, 1 to 3. A 3R trade, like 3R or 1 to 3. Looks like they want to use that as support. On a 5 minute, I'll wait to see if we close above this down close, this other block there. We tapped into it there, but I want to see what the 5 minute. The 5 minute can show us something. I want to use this as support. This is the breaker high. We are below the midnight opening price. If we did want to come higher, what are we doing? We didn't create a wick there just yet either. No wick created on that 4 hour as we opened. No wick was created. No wick or anything like that at all. So we'll see. As in 3.5. Oh, 3.5. You said 1. So 3. So it's like 3 to 1, not 1 to 3. 3 to 1. That's tough. That's nice. I was watching ICT, the month 2 growing small accounts, and you can have a 25% win rate and target 3 to 1s. You'll still be consistently profitable. So that was kind of crazy. So we close. Let's see. You got 9 seconds left. Took out the sell side, took out the buy side. We closed above these consecutive down close candles. So 1 minute. This is looking kind of rough. I'll get rid of that opening range there. Get rid of that there. Keep it a little clean like that. Price is going up kind of. We'll see. Next buy side level realistically would be I would say here at these super smooth highs, if that was the case, but we will see. We did close above here, making that a change in the step of delivery. We took the sell side here and here. We are inside the macro now. So at 10:02, we got this move there. We got this gap still acting as on the 15 minute. Did we close above? Not yet. We didn't close above this here on the 15 minute just yet. So I want to see if this 15 minute closes around this area and above this here, above this gap here. If that's the case, Then price can maybe retest this here, making that an intermediate rebalance. Then maybe, just maybe, breaker for value gap. Wait for some type of pullback. They may want to take it to these highs. So we will see how deep they want to bring it. We do got this right here. Slow, kind of jagged, kind of movement a little bit. Intermediate rebalance here. But I wouldn't take a long there just to target if I were to do that here. Midnight open there. That's not enough though. It doesn't frame like a good setup because we don't know if it's gonna get here or not. We'll see. Ugly price, yeah. This right here is kind of not it. Let me see. ES we still taking out highs. Took out that high on ES. Tap back into that daily bullish order block one more. I mean fair value gap here once. So once, two, three times. So let's see what we do. 5 minute. So we didn't create a wick yet on the 4 hour, so like, I mean, we don't have to. We didn't create one. We had a little one there. This candle. I don't want to get caught up though. Don't want to get trapped. So we'll wait, see what the macro does. Oh, it just finished. Okay. I am leaning more towards the bear side, like I said, after seeing what's going on, but we will see, chat. If it ain't clear, then I don't want to be inside of it. On 5 minute, we created one fair value gap so far. That's about it. On the 15 minute, no fair value gaps being created. Nothing so far. This is the breaker here. Yo, Trey, what do your daily rules look like regarding how many trades a day, how many losses permitted? I just take 2 trades a day. On my live account, I try to focus on really cause I gotta use one contract. I have to use one contract, so on my live account, I really try to focus on 1 trade a day, and I try to make sure that trade scenario is I try to make sure that is it's a good quality setup if I take it on my live account. Seeing our price is going down here, we'll see, because they can maybe run this low, and then if we create some type of buy model just to target this short term, I wouldn't mind that. And we're below the minute opening price in 830. I wouldn't mind that, but I would have to see something more giving than this. Because even if it does deliver from here and use the 830 as support, excuse me, it's still not enough in terms of risk to reward. So I'll miss out on that. Even if I would have went long right there, say I would have went long inside here, my SL would have got hit. Targeting that, SL would have got hit. So, do you take another trade after, or do you call it a day? I just call it a day. If I take one win for the day, I'm done. I wouldn't do that, in my opinion. PM session, S&T. Okay. You got that. But look, yeah, as you can see here, we took out those smooth highs on NQ. I mean on ES, but we didn't take them out on NQ. So up here, we took them out. So let's see if we get a change in the state of delivery here. Let's see if we get one on ES. If we get one, that'd be nice. But yeah, usually I just take one win. If I get a winner, I'll take that and call it a day. If I get a loser, I don't mind taking one more. Sometimes I take two more, but really trying to focus on just taking 2 trades a day. That'll be better for the long run, you know. Just tapped inside this 5-minute bullish fair value gap, institutional order flow entry drill right there. So let's see what they want to do with that. If they continue to drive it lower, which I think they'll do. If we displace lower, we gotta displace lower before I see anything. Gotta see a displacement. Cause this right here isn't looking too good, chat. A lot of back and forth. So we'll see. We will see. If you're new to the stream, make sure you leave a like, man. That's how I'll get put more inside the algorithm. So I would definitely appreciate that. Okay. Price is just like wiki. A lot of wicks. We got this here, changing the state we tested there. I'm gonna add a position here.
Order filled.
There. Want to see what they want to do with it. See if they can get through this here and leave those highs intact. immediate rebalance of this, I'll add one. I'll add more if we get up there.
Order filled.
Oh no.
Order filled.
Like that.
Order filled.
Stop loss there. My bad, chat. Let's see if they want to run. If they run that out. Like I said, I'm more on the bullish side. I mean, bearish side of things, though. More on the bearish side of things for sure. On a 30-second, this kind of looks clean. After seeing this on the 1 minute, that doesn't look too bad. Then we could take price lower. Let me buy 3 there. Then we'll let the rest run. If we can get there, this could be a run on stop, so I'm just making sure. We'll see how this candle closes. I'm not taking this on my live account. I want to see us stay heavy. First presentation, fair value gap, consequent encroachment. Let's see how we treat that there. If there is a 10-20 macro, let's see. We swept this low here, so I want to see us stay heavy. I don't want to see us wick this. You know, I want to see us continue to print bearish candles. Move my stop there above that candle. I want to see us stay heavy here. I don't want to see us come back up. I don't want to see us test that either. If this loses, this was just a run on stops, then they may want to take price higher to those highs up there. But I'm more, like I said, I'm more on the bearish side of things, so I don't want to get tricked. Do you trade mechanical, bro, or discretionary? I'm not even sure what that means, bro. I would not lie to you. I'm not sure what that means. What are we doing? What are we doing? I want to see. It'd be nice if we can get outside of this. Get outside of this gap here. We do got the breaker here, but I want to see us stay heavy. We got the immediate rebalance there, so I want to see us stay heavy and target. If we can get that rejection block, that'd be nice. That 15-minute rejection block will take off. So we can get there, and then we'll take off one here. Then if we can get the call today, I'm already pretty up a decent amount though. I'm not gonna lie, chat. I'm up a decent amount. So I'm gonna stop break even. I'm up a decent amount. I'm not gonna lie. We'll see if we can stay heavy, but stop's gonna break even. Usually I take profit around here. You know, just to be on the safe side, but we're gonna see, chat. We're gonna let it do its thing. Mechanical, operated. Give me 1 minute, bro. Give me 1 minute. Cause I'm ready to take profits whenever. I don't wanna see this. I don't wanna, after being, I don't wanna go too crazy on it. Just call it a day. We'll see. Immediate rebalance. Dang, we was up a lot. I didn't take it. You test that first vegetation for value gap one more time. Let me make sure my stop release there is fine. If we could stay in the lower quadrant of it, that'd be nice. That was a crazy wick. That was a crazy wick. Crazy wick. I was up 500 though. Maybe should have took a partial here inside this gap there. That's what I should have took my 3 off that. That's all right. I'll make sure I journal that up, but definitely should have took a partial there at that gap. Instead of the low, should have took it at the gap. Okay, consequent encroachment of that seemed like it's holding up. So if we can get there again one more time, I'm going there. Let's hope we can get there, see if we can get there. Got the immediate rebalance there, so let's see. Just holding up. I'd like to see this continue to hold up after the immediate rebalance on that 1 minute. Hope we can get there. Let's see, chat. Let's see. Don't give money back. Yeah, I'm not really trying to at all. After being up like that. And it's NFP week. It could be crazy, yeah. Definitely could be crazy. And an immediate rebalance right there. As soon as price breaks above, I don't want to be in this for too long, and then I'll call it a day and journal. But I gotta take some as far as that what is that? I can't let my account, that unrecognized drawdown or unrealized profit. So immediate rebalance there, we're testing it. But if we get above 300, then I'll have to call it a day, and then that'll be it for me. Because price should deliver. If we're really bearish. So above 300, I'm closing my position. And calling it a day. NFP is one of those
Order filled.
Alright, I'm calling it a day, bro. This is too much for me. I don't like what's going on. It can still deliver lower, but I'm good. I'll just take that. Not really giving. Didn't really have the confidence to hold this. And I don't want to see price, you feel me, get back above that. But we'll see. We'll see if it delivers. Just took a short. And we'll see if it delivers. Man, I closed my position. I don't like it. It can still deliver, but I don't like it. I'll just take that 285 on the day and call it a day. We did have that 5-minute intermediate rebalance. I didn't see that. We will see, chat. We will see. We will see, chat. If I made a mistake of closing or Nah. This price should be heavy here. Price should be heavy. So yeah, I may have, yeah. It just really wasn't clear enough. Maybe, yeah. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see, we'll see. 5 minute. Usually I'm right. Like I said, usually I'm right. So I probably shouldn't. We'll see though, we'll see. 5 minute. There. Just to go. 5 minute there. But I wanted to be a little careful. I didn't want to get tricked. Okay. Looking at ES. Okay, yeah, now I like this even more. Most likely can travel even lower. Especially after seeing this wick created. We'll see, chat. Those NFP weeks, so I ain't trying to do too much. Even if I did take myself out the trade early, it is what it is, bro. NFP, we got tomorrow and Friday, so I'll just take that. I'll take that and call it a day. What's that, about 300? So I ain't mad. I'm grateful, at least. I'm grateful for sure. Took the entry at the 32nd. Let me see where I took it at. Took it at the 32nd here. At the intermediate rebalance here. So we'll see if this candle right here on the 32nd holds up and sends us higher if we break above these here. All objectives have already got swept. Today Wednesday, right? Yeah, so we swept that. Yeah, that is true. That is very much true. We swept this low here. We can still deliver lower though, even though that did happen. Even though it did happen, we still kind of had it lower. Still got liquidity lower, so we'll see. Got that candle there. But I was up too much. I was already up like what, 500. And then I came back. It came back, and then it did this again. So like, I probably should have. I'll just journal it up, because if I'm gonna let it hit my stop loss, then I have to give it a little bit more chance when it comes to this here. But when it comes to that though, it's just like, dang, it's NFP though. So like, how do you wanna go buy that? You know, chat. Cause this already kind of looks ugly as hell anyway. This looks ugly. Yeah, you got this candle here. We could probably drop lower aggressively there. I think it could happen, but we did take out the low, and it doesn't have to happen. So just because I believe it's gonna drop lower and price overall bearish doesn't mean it's gonna give me that move this session. It still could, but we'll see. But I wasn't really rocking with this delivery here. It was going down all slow and jagged. So we'll see. No SMT created. Here. What about YM? See how they treat that guy. Well, we'll take that, chat. You feel me? I ain't mad about it. It is what it is. We'll take that. It's better than nothing. and we didn't lose. So even if we didn't take a trade, we still won. Didn't lose money on the day, so that's all that matters. We got an hour left in the session. I'm gonna see what the macro does though. 1050. I'm gonna see if it's something clear and obvious. It needs to be clear and obvious though. Super clear, super obvious, super straight to the point. If not, then nope. We come back tomorrow and we take that. So my entry was at 39425 240625. 2406. I think I closed it around here. I closed it around there. But I should have, like I said, took partials off there. At that gap, that's where I take partials. This is where I took partials instead of this whole thing, because this is already a 2 to 6 right here. 2 to 6. And I was targeting the rejection block here, so that would have made it a what? A 7R trade, so should have took profits there, but I'll journal that up real quick. Screenshot this. And this probably wasn't the best trade setup, I would say. I mean, yeah, it kind of did. Look, we got this order block here, and then we got the the proportion block right here. You tap into it there, so I probably could have took the long as price was coming into it, or on this candle here. I mean, I kind of did get close to it, so that's decent. Not too mad about that entry, and close proximity to this 5-minute inversion fair value gap. So that's not bad, but could have is that a? Oh, okay, no, that's not a volume imbalance. Okay. Should have took profits there. So I closed when price. I closed here on this candle here, so around there I closed. So around here is where I closed my entry. Good move. Gotta trust your gut, bro. Yeah, bro. Cause I wasn't too given about this trade, bro. It just didn't look. I mean, it delivered lower, but it was like kind of slow, jagged. And I talk about this every stream for the most part. Once you see price action start moving in that slow, jagged, weird movement, price usually runs that real quick and smooth and aggressive. You feel me? And I've been calling that out. I've been talking about that for quite some time now. So yeah. We got the proportion block, so there. Do I have that? Proportion block there. Changing the state delivery there. Not a bad little scalp though. I would consider it like a little scalp. I was in this trade for how long? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. About 6 minutes. 7, 8, 9, 10. About 10 minutes I was in this trade. Passing on that though. Let's see. And I know like me closing entries and stuff isn't, as a trader, you kind of don't want to do that, but at the end of the day, you got to make it make sense. It's like a real life situation, bro. Like if your girlfriend arguing with you all day, giving you a hard time, not even your girlfriend, anybody else, bro, any friendship, relationship, or whatever you want to call it, or just anything in terms of that scenario. That's 117, bro. What you talking about? You wanna, you feel me? If it's not giving you what you want, if that person's not giving you what you want, giving you the respect or whatever, however you wanna incorporate it into what I'm saying, you break up with it. Break up with her, cut that friend off. Same thing with this trade. So I didn't feel comfortable holding this trade after already making a decent amount of profit. I'm like, oh no. Good management, appreciate you, bro. Because this may not have been the move I was looking for. Like this may have not been the session move. So price could still come up and take out these smooth highs. So we'll see. Breaker here. Yeah, they use it there. I mean, you can see, I can see the setups appearing, like changing the state of delivery here. Proportion block test there. We go long there. That's not a bad long. That's definitely not a bad long. So this may still be in play. That may still be in play. Use the first presentation fair value gap as support again. Use this as inversion as well. Price tap backs into this. I may go long there, targeting those highs, but I may take it on my live account. Try to use one contract. Whoa, 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 what was that? Hold on. Where's my, bro, where's my stop loss? Where's my stop loss settings at? See if this breaker holds. I guess I would have to just manually close it. I would probably close it under these candles, one of these two candles here. Maybe this candle, maybe a little bit under the consequent encroachment of the first fair value gap. I'll close it there manually. But what is? I told you gotta make SL and TP manually. What? I thought that was just a problem for you. Cut it. Cut it if you don't see SL. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm not gonna cut it. I'm gonna just manually close my stop, but that's kind of like weird. Super weird. Super weird. TradeObit won't allow you to drag SL or TP on market order. That's crazy. That's crazy, bro. We'll see. I'll journal this up too. Last line of defense is there. That's risky. Think so? We'll see. We'll see, chat. That is a little risky there. Alright. Alright, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna take that. We got the same type of live account. It's universal. Larry told you that the other day. I forgot, bro. I thought I seen somebody post. I seen somebody do the same thing as me though. They clicked buy and their buttons came right, and they have Treadle Bay. Without SL is scary. Yeah, if they don't have S, yeah. If how do I manually though? I have to create an order like that. If I were to do that, my stop loss, I would have to type everything in. I would have to type everything in though. So if I were to put my stop at 23.59.25, I would have to type that in. 23.59.25. That's crazy, bro. They didn't give me my stop loss button, so I ain't tripping about that at all. That's crazy. Immediate rebalance. Should have gave it a little bit more chance. But that's so crazy. They probably did a limit order. Gotta make a sale. That's crazy, bro. That's so crazy. How they did that to me, chat. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day, chat. I'll see y'all in the Discord room, Daryl and Sadiq. But I'm gonna call it a day, chat. This what I'm gonna take on to fund it for sure. Just keep that so I can get that pass. Take my time with that, and then figure out this live account shit because that was crazy. No SL, bro. No SL. You can do shift with limit, but if I do limit, I have to wait for price to tap me into my order. So we'll see, but that'll be it, chat. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hopefully we get some better price action.